Hello and welcome back. I just unboxed OCD version 3 distribution tool from ONA Coffee. Let's take a close look. Overall, unboxing experience was fantastic. Comes with a nice jewelry box, nicely designed, and they give you instruction as well, how to use, how to be careful. So this is actually a design by 2015 World Barista Champion. His name is Sasha. And so they designed it. Design is fantastic. I know over the years a lot of companies are trying to copy their design. Like for instance, I have similar design from China. Okay, so this is one of my distribution tool for my Lapaboni, but again, very similar. But the fact is, designed in Australia, I believe. But if you look at closely, OCD black, made in China. Okay. But overall build quality is fantastic. I mean overall, just build quality is great. I love the look and feel of it. Let's find out how heavy this is. So this is about 386 grams. There it's pretty heavy. Okay. Overall, so far I like it. You know what? Let's pull the shot. Okay, let's make some coffee and see. I just pulled a beautiful shot using OCD tool. Let's try this. Cheers, everybody. Smells great. Okay, it's a good shot. Okay, actually, okay. Here's the thing. I have to share it with you. OCD distribution tool. Let me show you. This is $150. With the tax, slightly over 150. Okay, and then this is another one. So I got from Amazon. So this one cost me $15. Okay, similar size. So this is a 58.5 millimeter. This is a 58.5 millimeter as well. Okay, very similar look and feel, pretty much the same. Here's the thing about this high-end distribution tool. Okay. I own a couple of them myself as well, and that's more for the this premium distribution tool. The look and feel much premium. Okay, for this one, I had a lot more higher expectation on this one because I've been using this for the last 6-7 months. So this is one from China. Okay. And look and feel pretty much the same thing. This is more refined. Okay, this is a lot more refined. Design is much better. But overall, okay, so is this 10 times better than this one? I'm not sure. Okay, please let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys. Okay, is that high-end distribution tool worth it? I'd love to hear from you. So here's what we're gonna do next time. So next time, what we're gonna do is I'm going to compare $150 versus $15 distribution tool. So let's find out: is there any difference in taste? Okay, is there any difference in taste? I can't wait to do that video for you. Anyway, I hope this video helps. If you guys like it, please press like. Better yet, subscribe my channel as well. And I'm going to see you guys next time.